What's up, guys? I am currently, while I wait for more parts, I'm working on the tank and removing some of the rust. As you can see, I use a rubber mallet, hit the tank in all angles to knock some of the rust off. There's no holes, or I'm guessing it has to be pitting inside it, but I filled it up with water, put a little baking soda, and I'm gonna let it sit like this for about 2 days, maybe even 3, to see if I can remove all the rust from it. I'm using the battery charger right there. I've done my calipers, so it worked. So I'm gonna try with the gas tank to see if I can save it. Save me some couple of bucks. If not, I'm gonna have to take it to a radiator shop and pay for them to cut it, re-weld it, and clean it. Okay, guys, it's been over 24 hours. As you can tell, the rust is lifting up. So I'm gonna leave it for about another day, like 48 hours, and I'll report when I'm pouring it out. Get back to you guys. What's up, guys? Another update. It's been 2 days. As you can see in the last little clip I had, a lot of rust was gathered here. I emptied it out, I flushed it, drained it, I refilled the tank with some fresh water, added baking soda. I'm gonna leave it for another 2 days. It's technically is Monday. I'm gonna leave it till like Wednesday, 4 days, and I'm gonna show you the tank looks very clean inside. So yeah, I'm not in no rush as my car is, as you can see, wait, focus. My car isn't really running, so there's no rush from me, but yeah, I'm working on seeing what kind of fuel pump system I can run. Okay, guys, this is after 4 days of the tank being connected. I flushed the tank out after 2 days and put new water and baking soda, and then let the tank sit for another 2 days to make sure, that all the rust was removed. As you can see, the water coming out is actually pretty dirty. It had no rocks or anything, so it's not gonna mess up my drainage system or anything like that. But yeah, guys, this actually worked and saved me a couple bucks as far as having to cut the tank open and clean it out and stuff. Here's inside the tank. As you can see, I haven't even flushed it with water, but the rust is gone and it's actually pretty clean and it's ready to be used.